Beer Champ Barbecuers, we're back and we're doing a Boston butt on a Weber kettle with a slow and sear. We're going to do this hopefully in 6 hours. We're going to cook it for about 3.5, wrap this son of a gun for another 2.5, pull it open and let it rest. The resting time's not counting in the cook time, all right? So let it rest for about a half hour, an hour if you got the time. And start shredding and add whatever barbecue sauce you like. And today we're going to be slathering the thing with yellow mustard and Bob Southern rib rub. We're putting that all over it, and it's going to be delicious. Don't mind the trains. We're gonna put this on right now, and we're cooking about 275, even 300, because it's a little later than I expected to get started. But we're gonna hit this thing up to 198 degrees, wrap it, and I think I'm gonna actually wrap it earlier than that. And we're cooking till about 205 degrees. We're going to cook that fat cap up and fill the trough in the slow and sear with hot water, and got a couple hunks of hickory in there. Let's cover it up and let's get cooking. So today offers a lot of sun, but it's really goddamn cold. 30, 35 degrees. It's like the end of winter. And yeah, next week's looking to be in the 50s from here on out. Spring can't come soon enough, folks. So anyway, let's get in here and spritz this pork butt. See what we got going on. 2 hours in. Oh, come on, the smell. Woo! Yep. So we're going to hit it with some apple cider vinegar. Do that about every half hour. But at the 3.5 hour mark, we're pulling that, we're wrapping it, and we will spritz it again in the wrap with a little bit of dark brown sugar. Okay, so it's about time to pull this pork butt off the Weber kettle. Let's check it out. It looks delicious already, but we're gonna wrap this in aluminum foil, put it back on, and let it go for another couple hours, and then we'll pull it off and let it rest. I can't wait. Hell yeah. So at this point, add what you want. Brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, whatever you want, add it to it now, wrap it up, keep that moisture inside for another couple hours. So let's see what we got. You know what? I might even add some of this Bob's Southern Barbecue. Yep. Might add this. Or at the end. Maybe at the end. More of the foil, the better. You don't want to have any mess ups. So let's put the probe in. We're going for 205 degrees.